This is a demonstration of the new Tempest ball bearing spinner frames that I've produced. Left to right here we have kind of your average condition Tempest spinner, original. This is a Tempest spinner that has been rebuilt to sort of best quality that you get with the sleeve bearings that are in there. And then this is the new frame with the real ball bearing. So I'll give these probably not a super scientific because I'm just going to spin it by hand, but try to be equal amount of spin here. So we've got the typically as found on a machine, complete with burr. We've got the upgraded but still factory original version. And then we have the ball bearing version. Which, as you can see, is slightly superior as far as spin time is concerned. And there you have it. This is the new Tempest spinner frame itself. They've been 3D laser printed with an SLS printer on PA12 nylon, so they are super tough. Pretty much replaces the metal component of the spinner frame off the original, and shaft, encoder wheel, circuit board, E-clips, everything else just transfers over. Gives you a nice ball bearing equipped spinner for your game. Here's the new spinner frame shown with the original Atari parts attached to it, and I've got a custom printed knob there that is not included, but for the sake of demonstrating it's easier with a knob attached. You can see that the original pieces, shaft and encoder disc and circuit board, everything just reattaches with the original hardware. E-clips, and we've got your Allen screws. And once it's assembled, it's a complete unit, probably about a 10-minute job for most people to swap it out.